What happened to this? Where is the wall of the sun? Why that disappeared? What happened to this? Why it is giving the heat? Even though Allah is using the winds, Allah is running the winds. But what happened to that wall is still not here. It's 11:08 a.m. How much time has been passed away? So why the wall did not create by itself again? I intended and I said cover up the sun, and clouds appeared and they cover up the sun. Then who was the one who disappeared that wall? Because I intended for the clouds to cover the sun and they started to cover the sun. A special wall created. How? Because my hand and the command of Allah it happened. Then who disappeared that and vanished that away? That is Allah. Because I did not intend that to go away. My intention was to keep that. But someone else intervened in between and diminished the wall and disappeared that. That is Allah. And the event is done. An event of cover up the sun. Allahu Akbar. So for a long time nothing happened. So nature is not working by itself. Nature is not automatic. Otherwise it must have done nothing. But when Allah will, He can do it. Otherwise nature will not do it by itself. That's a simple thing I am teaching you. But I am teaching through a miracle. A miracle. Because last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used the finger to the moon and Allah split the moon. And I did the hand gesture like this and the clouds appeared like a wall and then disappeared. So Allah split the moon and then Allah joined that again. Allah created the wall by His command. When I used the gesture and I said, and then Allah disappeared that again. And it was not natural, that is why it did not come again by itself. It's a simple thing. If you understand and you accept the reality, then enter in Islam. Otherwise, go to hell. Allahu Akbar.